bad news. Time for an exam. This is a project for you. It should be read by tonight. Ready, steady, go! Did you hear that, Penny? Oh yeah, Mary. We're in trouble. Designing a house is not an easy task. There are hundreds of details to consider. The roof, the stairs, the windows. My head is spinning. Mary, I'm so tired. Tell me about a girl. Mrs. House's exam will ruin us. That's it. You got to rest. Mary, look. That's an idea. This way. All right, Mary. We'll build a transparent house. That's a great idea. Let's do it. And we have to get the building materials first. Is that enough? Thank you, boys. You're just adorable. Everybody's happy. A very good deal. Careful, Penny. Let's put it here. Let's make the house plan now, bestie. Looks good. Let's add windows, doors, and some decor, and it will look just right. Mary, we need an empty room. Let's clear the place out. Ready? Let's go! Nothing should get in the way of a builder, which means down with all the extra stuff. We won't need any tables, cabinets, or chairs. That's great. Now there's plenty of room for construction. Ugh, that's heavy. Now for the fun part, Mary. Let's build the frame for the future house. Sure, and I've got something. Let's get to work. We connect the wooden beams with metal angles. Floor, walls, and ceiling. Don't forget anything. And now we are mounting the transparent walls. Do as I do, Mary. Fixing the transparent plastic with a stapler. It couldn't be easier. In construction, every millimeter counts. Hey, Penny, come here. Ouch! I forgot the walls were transparent. Look, this tree doesn't fit into our concept. Let's disguise the beams with mirror tape. That's better. Now it's perfect harmony. Oops, I didn't mean to. It happens, girl. Keep going. The frame is ready. What's next on the plan? How about decorating? Mary, look what I found. Pretty, isn't it? We can use this, Penny. Now, the usual folders are going to turn into bright stained glass. First, we sketch the details. And then, cut them out. See, Penny? It's not hard at all. You need 4 of these petals for each stained glass window. Here you go. Let's keep working. Glue the plastic stained glass on the transparent walls. Perfect. An amazing Troom decor. Way to go, Penny. The walls look great, but this floor is no good. You're right. But I thought of something. We'll cover the floor with reflective film. That turned out pretty good. Oh yes, the holographic floor is a real highlight of the transparent interior. How about a little break? No way, Mary! Get up! There's a lot of work to do. We need furniture. Follow me! Psst! Boy, look at that rainbow.
Huh? Where?
A little distraction and the furniture is in the right hands.
What was that? I don't understand. Let's keep playing.
The chairs are already in place. Oh no! They're broken! What are we going to do? You can't sit on this. Keep calm, Mary. We'll have inflatable rings instead of seats. You're a genius, Penny. Let's inflate them. Turned out airy and transparent. And we're also upgrading the legs. Pink paint is always on hand. Good job, Mary.
Wow.
It's so beautiful. Now let's put these pieces together. Attach a foam sheet base and place the swim rings on top. Those chairs are so comfortable.
Yay.
We made it, Penny. It's a good time to take selfies. #transparent life. We're going to have the best project in the whole school. You can't get bored with this ruler. Mary, what have you got there? Let me see. This spirograph would make a great picture frame.
Yeah.
Do you like it? Now all All the selfies will be in the most prominent place. Stylish and cheap. But that's just the beginning. Mary has a lot of shaped rulers. You can even make a shelf out of them. Look, this one goes here and this one goes here. Let's load the hot glue gun. A couple of minutes and the shelves are on the wall. It turned out just awesome. Wow, these shelves are so convenient for storing cosmetics. And with a mirror, we get the whole beauty area. A builder should always look her best. But it's not very comfortable in the house yet. There's not even a place to put the drinks. Let me help. You can use my clipboard. Thank you, Penny. You're a true friend. Wait, that's no good. We need a table. Mary, are you ready to get creative? And we'll make a table out of clipboards. Transparent ones, of course. We'll glue them together and get a tabletop. Let's also make transparent legs. Roll up the plastic and fix the edges. I'll take it from here, Mary. And our table will glow. These garlands shouldn't just lie around anymore. Let's put the tabletop and the leg together. That's it, the table is ready. Wait, Mary, we need to divide the territory. This is my side and this is your side. As you wish, Penny. There's plenty of room in this house for everyone. Wow, bubbles! That's a fun activity for grown-up girls. Right, this house lacks big bubbles. Penny, we need more balloons. Awesome, Mary! They'll come in handy for decorating. The balloon installation is so easy. The perfect bubble corner.
Yay!
But there are still so many balloons to spare. How about we make a playroom? No, Penny. We'll put those balloons on the ceiling. The aerial building materials are such a great idea. Mary, we made it! Oh yeah, Penny, it looks gorgeous. The air ceiling looks so much like a cloud. The transparent walls could use a little more brightness. Mary, what have you got there? A painting of a balloon?
No.
Well, almost. Mary, it doesn't fit in our decor. But we could use a frame. Let's glue it with transparent film. And we have a drawing board. Here's the fishing line. You'll need it. Don't thank me. Fasten the board right to the ceiling. And now we have a game break. Who's gonna win this fight? It's okay, Penny. You'll maybe be lucky next time. The transparent house is ready to welcome guests. Why not throw a party? But that requires invitations. And Penny has another genius idea. Let's write a note and put it on a balloon. And the balloon invitation is ready. We need more balloons. No one's going to turn down super fun. We're expecting you to the party. Come on over. It'll be fun. Wow, what an original approach. Pop the balloon and read the message. Guys, it's a party! Wow, a transparent house is something new. Penny, hurry up! The guests will be here soon. We need to decorate everything here. There's no time to waste. Let's have lots of balloons in the room and bright decorations. Let's make a stylish photo area on the board. Wow! Spiraling rainbow garlands create a special atmosphere and make the space as light as possible. We need LED lights. Lots of them. The transparent house is unrecognizable. And here is a coaster for drinks. You can make anything out of hydrogel balls. The guests will love it. Penny, come here. Smile. And let's make funny masks out of folders and straws. How do I look, Mary? Awesome, girl. What do you think of my new look?
Well, what do we have here?
What is Mrs. House doing here? I hope she likes our transparent project.
Invisible walls are a super invention.
Mrs. House, would you like to visit?
I'd love to, girls. Let's see. Okay, the ceiling instead of the wall, too. There's even decorations. Girls, that's a well-deserved A+.
Hooray! Exam passed.
Yay.
Thank you, Mrs. House. You are our favorite teacher.
I understand you girls. See you at school.
Where are all the guests? Didn't they get invitations? It's not proper to be so late. Here come the friends. Guys, follow me. We're going to surprise them. No way! It's a transparent house! Everything here is so airy. Hello, girls. Can I come visit? A transparent house is made just for parties. A mask for each guest. And of course, cold drinks. Turn up the music and have fun. You can take so many cool selfies here. Woohoo! We'll party till morning.